Okay, hi. I know this was going to be a birthday vlog, but I mean, it is a birthday vlog, but I just think I should start this with actually letting everything out, whatever I feel in this moment. It's like literally 11:46. Okay, so it was such a roller coaster being 20. I've been through so much, and now I feel like, oh my god, that was literally a like cute little slide and not a roller coaster. But that time it felt so much. And okay, let's just get into positive talk, because I would like to be grateful towards the people I have in my life right now. Oh my god, let me just start with my family, my whole family. I mean, I don't have even one single point they have not supported me in. Like they supported me in everything till now, like everything. Like it could be my dance. I mean, I'm the worst dancer you guys will ever meet, and my mom was like, yeah, do it, you do it, just go. I mean, she was supporting me even when she knows that I'm that bad. My dad, oh my god, today I was like, hello papa. Like I went for a like just a day out with my friend, and I liked one pair of shoes, and those were for 900. And I was like, मैंने पहले ही पापा से बहुत पैसे मांग लिए, I can't ask more 900. I mean, I know 900 is not too much, but मैंने पहले ही बहुत सारे पैसे ले रखे थे. And then I was like, hello papa. And I was about to say 700, like थोड़ा सा less, so that he won't get at me. And he was like I was just about to say कि 700 पाठवा, and before me completing the sentence, he was like कि किती पाठवायचे बाळा. And then I was like 700, and then he sent me 1,000. I mean, I can't explain it more. And Rohan, oh my god, I reached home at 8, and he kept his treasure hunt thing ready. He told me, Didi, there's something in this in our hall, go find it. And then I was trying to find here and there. He gave me a Cadbury. Obviously my mama and I, like, these two are the person I love the most. I don't want to cry. Okay, I'm okay. Yeah, so these two are the person I love the most, more than anyone, most. And my oh my god, like literally like my mother. She repeats the same thing whatever my mom does. And my baba, I and mama, the best. Like I have so many memories. Okay, म्हणजे मला माझी like एकटीचे काहीच मेमरीज आठवत नाही. Like I've done this or that. ते लोक मला सगळे सांगतात की you used to dance this way, you used to eat the dahi with chukli and all. And like I don't remember any of that except the memories I've made with mama, I and baba. Like way too many. Honey, my sisters, Mau and Manu, how can I forget them? They're the best. I mean, whatever mood I am in, if I meet them and if I just keep talking or chilling with them, I just forget to think what was I even sad about. And my aji, every single time I come in, I put my bag here, I sit down, and then theater and विचारते कशी केली आज exam. Like एकदा पण तिने विसरलं नाहीये. There are many friends, actually way too many. I'll start with Shruti, because everyone know, like whoever is close to me knows that I'm not that excited for my birthday this time. And even मी आधीच एक्साइटेड नव्हती, आणि माझ्या बर्थडेच्या दिवशी I have my exams from 10:30 to 5, and then that was like minus point in that. So I was like की मी आजच जाईन कुठेतरी. And then I went, we guys went to FC Road, we roam, we had food, we shopped a bit. Yeah, she gave me flowers. I mean, we bought it. we bought the flowers. Long story. To be honest, most of my friends don't even remember that it's my birthday. 5 minutes to go. Anyways, Shruti, Ananya, Gauri is getting married very soon. And the people who have always been genuine to me, I love you all. And the people I was a good friend of, and I'm not in contact, I still am grateful for the time we've spent together, the friendship we've had. And like overall, whoever, that you were the part of my 20 years, like first 20 years of my life. Yeah, also I have my exams tomorrow. have a great day.